Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, just a reminder, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you will get a notification letting you know that I have posted something new. That way you never miss any of my content. So I love when I get the opportunity on my channel to show you a wig that I am crazy about. And this particular wig is one that I am just over the moon loving. So this wig is called Current Events, and this is a new style for 2021 by Raquel Welch. And the color on this one is RL924SS, which is Shadow Shade Iced Cafe Latte. So beautiful rooted shade, and we'll get into the shade in just a bit. Wigs.com had an exclusive on this where they were able to sell it before some other sellers, and they posted it on their Instagram the other day, and I jumped on it and purchased one because I was like, that's a gorgeous style. I love the On Point wig by Raquel Welch, but my problem with that wig was it had an exclusive middle part. And I've mentioned this in other videos, I'm just not crazy about the middle part on me. I think it looks fabulous on a lot of other people, but for me personally, it's just not a style that I love. I like a side part. I'm a side part girl, whether it's cool or not. That's who I am. So I was so excited because I saw this style and I'm like, oh, it's just a slightly inverted bob with a left mono part, lace front, gorgeous Raquel Welch lace front, of course. So I was just super excited. I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. I gotta try it. So jumped right on her, and here she is on my head. I have worn her all weekend long. She is the first wig that I pulled out of the box, and I had an event to go to on Saturday, and I was like, I'm wearing her. I love her. And my husband was like, oh my gosh, I love that wig on you. So it was just a win-win all the way around. So I put her on my head, wore her all day Saturday, had another event because it was Easter on Sunday, wore her all day Easter Sunday. Absolutely love this style, and I am over the moon, and I feel like I have worn her enough and experienced, her enough to do a review for you all. So that is why I'm here. So anyway, let me do a turn and we can look at her from all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her measurements and everything. So here she is from the front. Really pretty. I love, these are their true to life fibers, heat friendly fibers. Love the way they move. Love the way they hang around the face. Perfect length. I love it. Okay, so here is my right side. The back. Really, really pretty stacking in the back. My left side. Pretty again. I love it. And then back to the front. Okay, measurement wise on her, she is 13 inches here in the front. She is 13 inches from the crown. Her sides are 8.25 inches. Her back is 9.25 inches. And her nape is 2.5 inches, and she has a weight of 4.6 ounces. So she is, she appears to be pretty much one length all the way around. Those side measurements, I think a lot of times go from the ear tab down. I think that's where they're measuring that from. So she just appears to be all one length, but it's kind of nice because she does only have a 2.5 inch nape since she's just slightly inverted. And so, that back, since these are heat friendly fibers, that shorter nape will wear much better than a longer nape that's going to be brushing on all your clothes. So I like how it just sits, right above collars and things like that. That's really, really nice. So she is just so pretty. So let me show you her lace front. I always love showing a Raquel Welch lace front. You just never even have to worry like, oh, the knots are going to be bad or whatever, because they're just always fabulous. So, and this color is so pretty because it's got this cool blonde in it, and it, just really lends itself to having a gorgeous lace front, but it's not, too highlighted at the very front. It's done, they always do their coloring and everything extremely well. So it's done very well, very nicely. And that lace front extends down, onto the ear tab, which is nice. So that gives you lots of, options for styling off the face. Then she has a left mono part. So there is her mono part. Really, really nice. I love her. Look at the movement of the fibers. She is just gorgeous. I've been raving about her on my Instagram page all weekend because I just love her. So anyway, let me pop her off and we will look at her interior cap construction. Okay, let's look at interior cap construction for current events by Raquel Welch. So here we have that left side mono part. There is her lace front, and like I said, extends down onto the ear tabs, which is very, very nice. You have a very long, nice lace front on that. Then you have these soft felt covered ear tabs. She does not have an extended nape, but she's only got, you know, 3-inch nape, so 2.5-inch nape, sorry. So, you know, it's not necessarily needed. So she does have the soft felt right here that's, you know, sits up against your head. And then she has Velcro adjusters, which are really, really nice. And then she's open wefted all through the cap. And I forgot to cover up here, she just has closed lace. Like I said, I can't find any permatease on this. There's some closed wefting in there that's covered with a little bit of flowered lace. So really, really nice cap construction. And this is the Memory Cap 3. So you will see that she has the that silicone there that goes through and really, really helps grip that wig to your head. So great cap construction. Okay, so just to follow covering the interior cap construction, I'll also talk about the way that this is fitting my petite head, because I often have trouble with this brand. A lot of times, that's why I haven't reviewed a ton of Raquel Welch wigs, because a lot of them are just too big for my head. And the On Point wig was one of those, and I can't remember which memory cap that one had, but this one has the Memory Cap 3, like I said, has those silicone strips that go through that really help grip your head. And this is fitting my petite head really, really well, even though this is not a petite to my knowledge. So, but I'll show you, I need to show you the ear tabs too. You know, the ear tabs are sitting in a good place. I have had an experience with Raquel Welch where the ear tabs were, you know, sitting kind of low in front of my ears, and that's just because my ear to ear measurement was too small for the wig. And this cap is just fitting really, really well. I mean, there's enough stretch here for her to go easily up to average, you know, and probably a little bit above. Their caps tend to have good stretch, but there's not too much cap, so that on my petite head, the cap is fitting really, really nicely. So I will show you the ear tabs, because I just realized I did not show you those before. So there's the ear tabs. They look really nice, of course. And like I said, there's, you know, I like how that lace front extends down, so that you can, you know, style her off the face really, really easily. So, but they've got a good piece of metal in there, you know, sitting right where you want them to. So I've got good coverage. I'm just so happy with this wig. So let's jump in and talk about this color. So this is a new brunette for my channel, and this is one that I have wanted to try, and it's a gorgeous color. I think it has just enough blonde that it just looks like it's highlighted, you know, without being too much blonde for those of us who prefer to wear brunettes. So RL924SS, that SS stands for shadow shade. The description on this one, I found a couple of different descriptions, but this is the one I'm gonna go with because I feel like it is a really true description. So ashy medium brown base with cool blonde highlights and medium brown rooting. So with these shadow shades, you do get some rooting on the shade, which is really nice. It's very nicely done. It looks very, very natural. And of course that rooting will continue, you know, around the face. And they have placed some of the highlights right around the face, just like they would highlight your hair at the salon, which is very nice. So just a really, really pretty color. I know the camera gets a little lighter when my face isn't on it, but I'm just trying to get this color in the lighting for you so you can see it really well. Really, really pretty. This is definitely gonna become one of my new favorites from Raquel Welch for shades. I really love this. It's not too dark. I'm really trying to start to lighten up. I've just been in that mood lately of wearing lighter colors, as I'm sure you've seen. And so I just really like this color. This is a gorgeous color. It works well with my skin tone. You know, looks predominantly brunette, I feel like, as opposed to looking predominantly blonde, which is really nice. But that 24 highlight in there is really, really pretty. Okay, let's take her outside and we will look at iced cafe latte outside in the natural light. Okay, so initially I am underneath my patio cover. So you can see this color out here in the natural light. So pretty. Let me show you the lace front. Gorgeous. Mono part. And then we do have some sun, so I will step out here in the sun. You can see it with the sun on it. back inside. So gorgeous brunette, right? I love it. Gorgeous highlighted brunette. Very, very pretty out there in the natural light. So let me talk about glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So she is ear tuckable, which is really nice. Just always want to, I always check my ear tabs when I tuck, just real quick, like, okay, are we good? So, but she is ear tuckable. She works behind the ears. So glasses are super easy. No problem. Not getting in the way. Whoops, I poked my ear tab that time, but not getting in the way. You can put them up on your head very easily. I love a low density wig. This is why low density wigs are my thing. I just like that you can stick your sunglasses in your hair just like you normally would. I was always real big on pushing my sunglasses and pushing my hair back with my sunglasses, you know, so really, really cute. And, you know, like I said, she's very ear tuckable, which is nice. So really, really nice. All right. So initially this weekend, whenever I wore her, I did have to clip her back just to keep her out of my face, because when, you know, a wig like this that's cut like this, that's got a 13-inch bang in the front, of course wants to kind of just hang right in front of your face. So I haven't put any heat on her or anything like that. She may need just a little bit of steam to just get her off your face a little bit. But what I did was I wore her over the weekend. When I wore her, I clipped her back like this with a barrette. And that really has helped train her to keep her from falling in my face. So, you know, she's been really, really easy to train. Now, of course, these are heat-friendly fibers. You can put heat on these up to 350 degrees. So, you know, it would be easy to get her wet, hit her with a little blow dryer to blow her back, you know, whatever you want to do, however you want to do it. You could steam it, whatever. If you just want to keep it, you know, if you just want to create a little bit of a, you know, height and to keep that off your face. So, but I don't feel like that's, you know, something I want to do. Ooh, where's my little barrette? Because I like the way that she hangs naturally. She just is one that you're going to be, you know, occasionally having to push out of your face a little bit. But I used to wear my hair like this when I had bio hair and I had to do that. So I guess for me, it's not that big of a deal. So, but you'll just have to decide if that's, you know, something that bothers you or not. So you can also pull her back, you know, with any kind of cute little clip if you want to. She would be cute like that. So again, I always tell y'all I love these alligator clips. You know, you could put headbands in her. That would be cute. Anything like that. She can also be worn half up, half down with a, you know, just with a clip. You don't have a lot of length, and some of this might want to sort of, yeah, I think probably these sides would want to come down a little bit if you did that. But that looks cute, you know. You could even pull down some bang around your face if you wanted to. So that looks cute. Really, really cute. So, you know, lots of styling options. She's super cute. She's very classy. I just can't say enough. I'm over the moon. Love this style. I kind of feel like she's one of those bobs that I've been waiting for. Like, where have you been all my life? You fit my head so great. You look great. You're the perfect bob. So I'm really, really happy with her. So as I said earlier, I purchased this style at wigs.com, and I will put a little link below for you to find her there. And I love her. I can't recommend her enough. So until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.